Looking at the map, we should arrive at the secret Halloween party in just a few more spooky squiggles.
You're not scared, are you, Rox?
Me? Ha! No way! We Dino Pups are known for our bravery.
What was that?
Monster!
Yep, very brave.
Ah!
Why'd we stop? I don't know what's worse. The creature you're describing, or the fact that I understood that.
Now, Rox, I'm sure there's a perfectly odd explanation for what we saw.
I don't know, Billy. There are creatures out here in the odd woods. Like, I don't know, the Odd Springs mud monster, for example?
Mud monster? Does he have mud for a face?
Yep,
Does he have mud for hands?
2 of them.
Does he have mud for his left foot?
Sure does.
Does he have...
Okay, Rox, I think we get it.
Billy, based on recent learnings from my best friend Nova, I think we should run!
Don't be silly, Rox. We have a Halloween celebration to get to. Now hold on.
Ah!
What's wrong, Rox? Worried about the mud monster?
No, maybe. Yes! It's all I can think of, Mud.
Did you hear that?
Aww. Sounds like an Odd-Paw in trouble. And we're just the Muds to help. The team. I meant team.
The creature must be close.
Mud monster!
My crown!
Hang on. There's something oddly familiar about this mud monster. Otoscope, Rox. Half elephant, half frog. This Odd-Paw is our friend, Elefrog.
But, Mud monster!
I think she's trying to tell us something. To the Oddbulance! This Elefrog needs a serious cleanup. We're gonna need soap and a clean, dry towel. Frog hands. Frog feet. And now for the face.
Ah! A ghost paw!
Wait, I think it's a mask. Rox, help me get this off.
Thank you. That feels horrific.
Happy to help, but how did you get into such a muddy mess?
What?
Let's get those ears cleaned out too. Rox, swab. How's that? Can you hear me now?
Much better. You're probably wondering how I ended up in such a muddy mess. I was practicing my dance for the Halloween costume competition. Boingity-boo, boo, boingity-boing, boing. Uh-oh. Thankfully, I was able to pull myself out. But by then, I was covered in mud. And then you found me and got me all cleaned up.
And the important thing is that no one was ever scared about anything. We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.
Now, who's ready for a Halloween party?
Thanks for all the help decorating, Billy. I've been so busy baking my Halloween cooking. Keys? That's strange. Usually when I say cookies, Rox is here in a flash to taste test them for me.
Yeah, he's been saving room for trick-or-treating. He's been working on his plan for weeks.
And according to the plan and my tummy, it's time to go.
Happy Halloween, Hockey!
Bye!
Billy, is this the speed you plan on driving the whole way back? I only ask because according to the plan, you have to...
Bridge inspection. Sorry, you'll have to wait.
Come on, come on! Yes! No!
Don't worry, Rox. I've got this. Hi, Melinda. Mind if we squeeze by? You see, it's Halloween and...
Let me guess. You're in a hurry to go trick-or-treating.
Well, yes, actually.
I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask if I could join you, because that sounds like a lot of fun.
Of course you can. And don't worry, I have hundreds of costumes you can try on.
I do like to consider all options before making a big decision. One by one.
No!
You know you're not wearing a watch, right, Rox?
Ta-da!
Melinda, you, look,
Exactly the same as you did an hour ago.
The same? The same? Obviously, my hat is crooked, and my socks are barely pulled up all the way. I look terrifying.
Okay, let's hit the road. What now?
I started trick-or-treating early, and now my tummy aches.
No, that should be my tummy ache.
Otoscope? Half pig, half poodle. This Odd-Paw is our friend Pigoodle. I feel more like half trick and half treat at the moment. Don't worry. A spoonful of this medicine will make you feel better. Oh, my tummy still aches. It'll take a little longer than that, I'm afraid.
Trust me, as a dino pup, I know a thing or two about tummy aches. Uh-oh! Don't worry. Billy will have you feeling better in no time. And I'm gonna wait right here until you do.
Really?
You betcha!
Thank you. I feel much better now.
Yeah, Billy's always right when it comes to feeling better.
Rox, I think there's still time for trick-or-treating.
Just try to stop me. You didn't have to actually stop me.
I'm sorry you missed your trick-or-treating, Rox. I know it was important to you.
That's okay. There's always next year.
You've already started planning for it, haven't you?
Yep. Next year, that tummy ache will be mine.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy the Odd-Paw Vet.
Huh? Oh, a mud bob. I can't say no to a mud bob. But wait, I just got my fur the way I like it. But it's mud. No, I can't. Okay. Maybe I'll just dip a trotter in. Whoa! I regret nothing. I regret everything.
Whoever invented scented mud is a very naughty so-and-so. It just doesn't go in a civilized forest. I better check that out. Is everything okay over here? Ah! Swamp monster! It's okay. Melinda is in control. Maybe not. Billy, do you copy?
I can't believe I let you do this.
Team, I just got a super strange message from Melinda saying she saw a swamp monster. Sounds more like an Odd-Paw to me. Anyway, she needs our help.
All right, I'm pretty much done here.
Now I look like a swamp monster. Are you okay there?
Stay back, miss. I've got a sponge and I'm not afraid to use it. Billy, thank goodness you're here.
Hi, Melinda. Where is this swamp monster?
It's over there.
You don't sound like a monster. I'm just gonna scan you with my otoscope. Half pig, half poodle. This Odd-Paw is a Pigoodle.
Oh, well, easy mistake to make. No harm done, eh?
That's a mighty big bump on your head.
It's fine. It just makes me a little dizzy. Ooh.
Whoa, I better take a look at that at the clinic. Rox, help me get Melinda into the odd buggy.
Leave it up to the dino pup.
Pigoodle, fancy a cleanup?
Clean? Why, absolutely not! My mud! But no, I like clean.
Nova, fetch an odd carrier for our Pigoodle pal.
Clean! Muddy! Clean! This way! And whatever you do, don't shake your fur.
Now, I normally don't treat humans, but I've got some ointment I think should do the trick.
As long as it's not mud, I don't care.
I guess that means we're on fur cleaning duty. We really drew the short straw.
Speak for yourself.
Not my precious mud. Wait, yes, get rid of it. No, yes, no, yes. Ow! Careful, rocks.
Aha! Aloe vera cream. This should be very soothing.
Well, it certainly sounds like mud. Ooh, that is soothing. Smells good, too.
Told ya. Ah!
Sorry, there's just so much mud.
A Pigoodle's fur can actually hold the most mud of any Odd-Paw. Enough for all of us combined.
Not all of us. This is what I was born to do. Hi-ya! Ha-ha.
My fur, it's so clean. Hooray!
Melinda, that was incredible.
And it's the least I could do after you made my head feel so much better.
I hope you don't miss your mud too much. Huh? Pigoodle?
Cannonball! Sorry, couldn't resist.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy the Odd-Paw Vet.
Peekaboo! All quiet out here, Billy. Coming in for a milk break.
We'll have it ready for you.
Whoopsie.
Hold Billy. We might have trouble after all. Thank you. Billy, what do you know about talking turtle shells?
Come on, Rocks. We got a turtle duck to unstuck. Get it, Rocks? Duck to unstuck. Hey, Rocks?
Oh, who's a cute widow egg?
Nova, you want to help me while Rocks babysits the egg?
I could, but then who's going to babysit Rocks?
Well, I guess I'm flying solo. Hello, my name's Billy, and I'm here to help. What's your name?
Doodle.
Nice to meet you. Okay, if I have a look inside your shell? Thank you. Otoscope. Sounds like you're really stuck. Are you feeling okay in there?
I'm okay. Just embarrassed and worried about my egg.
No need to be embarrassed. These things happen. And your egg is in excellent paws. Well, 4 of them, actually.
Ooh, the egg is hatching!
False alarm, but we'd better get you back to the clinic and out of your shell before your baby hatches. She's really stuck in there. Right, team? Team? What are you doing in there?
Ah,
Ah. Okay, Durtle, I'm gonna try to pull you out now. Try to relax. Okay. Sorry, I can't hear you right now. But I almost... Oh, yes, I see that now. Don't worry, we'll figure this out. This grease should loosen things up.
ah.
This is tougher than I expected. Mind if I borrow that feather? Durtle, I'm gonna try something a little odd. Maybe I can tickle you out with this feather. Welcome back.
It's hatching!
Thank you all. If not for you, I'd have missed my baby's hatching.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy the Odd-Paw Vet.
We're also available for babysitting.